Hi guys. If you recently upgraded your Windows 7 to Windows 10 and want to learn how to now open the familiar System Properties tab and Control Panel, in this short tutorial you will learn how to do it simply. Previously, in Windows 7, to open System Properties, you had to open Explorer. Then right-click this computer, select Properties from the list. But now a completely new window, System Properties, has opened. Here we can also find information about the processor of our PC, the amount of RAM, as well as find out the Windows specification and much more. Now we will open the System Properties window as we are used to seeing it in Windows 7. To do this, open Explorer, left-click this computer, and now you need to right-click on an empty field. We choose Properties. And here we have a familiar window, System Properties, as well as information about the computer and our Windows. Now let's find the control panel we know from Windows 7. To do this, click on Start. Then find the folder, Windows System in the list of programs. Open this folder, and drag the control panel program icon onto the desktop. Now we drag the icon to the taskbar. It will be useful to us in the future, and we simply delete the icon from the desktop. We click on the control panel icon, and now we see the familiar program. I think that its useful functions have changed little in Windows 10. I have finished this short tutorial, and I hope that what I have told you is of interest to you. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Good luck!